amazing crochet family. I would never get tired of saying that. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. Thank you for joining me for day 6 of our Loops and Bee Advent Calendar unboxing. Now, day 5 was a good surprise. Day 5 got me. So I'm excited about going through the whole 12 days just to see what other surprises we have and to share it with you all. So listen, we're going to get right into it. This is our bag for day 6. We are here, y'all. We are here with day 6. I can't believe it. We're getting closer and closer and closer and closer to Christmas. My kids are excited. We're doing something. Before I open this, I'm gonna tell you the cute thing that we're doing for Christmas. We are I have a new tradition I wanted to start to where they did not ask for much. I'm gonna go ahead and put that out. They have amazing kids. They did not ask. It's like, Mom, I'd rather be surprised. So I'm all for the surprise. And when you know your kids, you know, like, listen, the surprise is really going to be a good surprise because I really know my children. So with that being said, what the idea that we're going to do this year is they are going to open a present every hour on the hour leading up to probably about, I'm thinking like 1 o'clock. So we may start like around 8 or 9ish. And some of them are little small items. They get to pick if their name is on it, pick whatever item is under the tree with your name. And then ultimately we're going to see if anything special was delivered at that 1 o'clock hour. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But let's get into our day 6 because I know y'all ain't came here to hear me talk. Okay, so we got some cute things for day 6. We have Parfait Chunky in black for day 6. You can never go wrong with having some black, just like that white yarn. The black yarn can accessorize. I know a lot of people do not like working with black yarn. Me, I don't mind. I mean, I can go on about my business. So, because a lot of times, even with Parfait Chunky, you'll learn that you have to really like feel your stitch a little bit more so as in like any other stitch when we use acrylic yarn, you can really see it. I know for me personally, I have to really feel that stitch. And it's kind of like, once I get that groove, that's it. So black yarn, I know there's some people may comment and say, girl, I don't like black yarn. I can't work with it. For me, it does not bother me. I'm like, it's fine. But we have this amazing black yarn, Parfait Chunky, which I love Parfait Chunky. I was like, girl, that's Parfait Chunky in black. Listen, if you know me, everything is amazing. And also, I'm going to speak some amazingness over everything. So we have the black Parfait Chunky and we have some felt pieces. Now, these are awesome because immediately what came to my mind, which this is just how this thing work here, was you can use, I know they use it for like the buttons for like if you did the gingerbread man or something. But what came to me, I think what would be cute with these would be Parfait Chunky octopus and puts different dots like the felt dots on it and have it like a polka dot octopus. Ooh, that just came to my mind too. And I'm thinking about it. I think that would be very, very cute. And it's real all in color. So this is definitely going to get some good use. And it's the possibilities are in this. You can't, go wrong with it. But these are awesome. So we got some felt pieces for day. Let me look because, listen, I don't want to say the wrong day. We are on day 6. So we have black yarn, some felt circles, and guess what? We are going to be back tomorrow for day 6 of our Loops and Bee Christmas Advent Calendar unboxing. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for being a part of my amazing crochet family. And until next time, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you next time.